JD 26 for just new tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we got a gas burner here, and when we turn it on, it doesn't go on. Okay. The reason it doesn't go on is because the GFI on the wall. You have to press the top button like that, and then you'll get, when you turn it on, I turn it on this one, it'll ignite. You'll hear the clicking sound. So never turn your gas on when it's not, getting that GFI going and the clicking sound. So that's your tip for today. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.